Mountain Mitsubishi of Hickory Service Department performs air conditioning recharge and diagnostics for only $100. Welcome back as the WHKY News continues. This is Community Focus. Ralph Mangum with you with a preview of this week's Hickory City Council meeting. Here's WHKY's Rob Eastwood.
This will be the only regularly scheduled Hickory City Council meeting in the month of July. Typically, council meets the first and third Tuesdays of the month. However, the first meeting this month was canceled due to its proximity to the July 4th holiday. The meeting is scheduled for Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock. Among the items on the agenda, council will consider approval of a speed limit reduction along 20th Avenue Northwest between North Center Street and 2nd Street Northwest, and along 20th Avenue Drive Northwest from 20th Avenue Northwest to the end of the street. Council will also consider approval of an amendment to the Economic Development Agreement with Corning Optical Communications. In addition, city staff has requested council's approval to apply for the Airport Terminals program funded by the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law. In addition, council will consider approval of Change Order 3 with Fuller and Company Construction for a contract deduction in the amount of $273,788.45 for the Murray Basin Sewer Project. Council will additionally consider approval of a contract with the North Carolina Department of Commerce for the Downtown Streetscape Improvement Grant in the amount of $850,000. You can see the agenda and get more details on Tuesday's Hickory City Council meeting by going to the city's website, hickorync.gov. The meeting begins at 6 o'clock in Council Chambers at the Julian G. Whitener Municipal Building in downtown Hickory. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thank you, Rob. The Taylorsville Town Board has scheduled a special called meeting for Wednesday at 9 a.m. The meeting will be held at Town Hall. The board is expected to name a new town manager to replace Aaron Wyke. Mr. Wyke has requested to return to his position as Public Works Director. According to a press release, the board is also expected to adopt a service contract with Alexander County for planning and zoning services. Thanks to WACB's Rick Gilbert for that information. WHKY's Arianna Mack and her guest have information regarding a place where you can beat the heat in Newton.
Reporting for WHKY here in Newton, where the splash zone and pool at the Newton Recreation Center is now open. Joining us in Community Focus, Alex Frick with the City of Newton.
In addition, we have the splash pad and the pool open at the Newton Recreation Center at 23 South Brady Avenue. We're excited to have the pool open this season with new amenities that make it more accessible and safer for everyone. We have a new underwater ledge that people can sit on in the shallow edge. We've resurfaced almost 7,500 square feet of the pool's surface. We have a new safety edge around the pool, and we also have a new filtration system with new pumps and new safety drain covers that make the pool safer for everyone when they're swimming.
And tell me about the process with the renovations. How long has it been since it saw a facelift?
Sure, the last major renovation to the pool, which was originally built in the 1960s, was done in the 1980s. So it's been about 40 years since the pool's had a major renovation, and we're happy to open it up clean, shiny, and new and safer for everyone.
The 5,900 square foot splash pad sprays hundreds of gallons of water per minute through 24 nautically themed water features, including pirate hooks, water cannons, ship anchors, and friendly sea serpents. Runoff water is collected and treated through a process that reduces water use and is environmentally friendly. Tell us something that we don't know about Newton Recreation Center.
We offer a wide range of amenities for the whole family. There's a workout center here that is available to the public. There's the splash pad in the pool, obviously. We have programming throughout the day and in the evenings.
The splash pad is located beside the Newton Recreation Center at 23 South Brady Avenue. Admission to the splash pad is $1 for the 2024 season. Concessions such as ice cream, candy, snacks, and soft drinks are available for purchase. The maximum capacity of the splash pad is 75 people. And what do you hope someone takes away after visiting the Newton Recreation Center?
The Newton swimming pool has really been a fixture of downtown summers since the 1960s, and we're happy to have it back open for the public to enjoy. It's a great way to cool off, get some sun, learn how to swim, and just a fun time for the whole family.
Enjoy your summer here in downtown Newton at the Splash Zone or Pool. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and thanks also to Alex Frick for his time today. And thank you all for joining us for Community Focus on the WHKY News. On behalf of Rob Eastwood, Arianna Mack, Jason Savage, and Alex Frick, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.